Did you know that 8 to 10% of Europe's electricity is provided by the Internet of Things? The market value of the Internet of Things is expected to hit $2.46 trillion by 2029. As of now, it is $478.36 billion. Today, over 25% of registered businesses use the Internet of Things. Here is the Internet of Things Explained. By definition, the Internet of Things, also called IoT, is a system of computing devices, digital machines, objects, humans, animals, and mechanical machines provided with unique identifiers called UIDs. These groups can then transfer data through the interrelated network with no human-human or human-to-computer interaction. To illustrate, we are not saying humans are getting chips in their heads. A person with a heart monitor implant is communicating with a machine without another computer connecting them. As well, an animal with a biochip transponder is also automated to interact with the device by itself. Also, vehicles with built-in sensors are representative of the term things in the Internet of Things ecosystem. Internet of Things provides about 10% of European electricity, according to a Labour member of Parliament in the United Kingdom. The importance of this phenomenon surpasses the home and office and extends to the national level. Soon, we will delve into the importance of the Internet of Things. For now, let us show you how it works. The Internet of People ecosystem includes web-enabled smart devices with embedded systems. These systems include processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their designated environments. After that, the devices share sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or another edge device. Data is either analyzed locally or sent to a cloud for analysis. In certain instances, these devices would communicate with other related devices and compile that information. These devices do not require a push of the button or a click by a human. After setting up and being given the necessary information once, they work by themselves. IoT connects with other web-enabled devices for data collection purposes based on deployed communication and network protocols. They can also rely on artificial intelligence and machine learning to collaborate and process data quicker. Why is IoT important? Watch an Internet of Things tutorial today, and you can tell yourself how smarter our lives would get with this mechanism. IoT gives us control over our lives in the smartest tech ways possible. It offers smart devices to automate the home and connect all devices. It does not stop there. An entire nation can benefit from the right processes and implementation of the Internet of Things. In 2019, the Labour MP for Newcastle Central in England, Onwurah, said, "We cannot address climate change without the Internet of Things. It allows the monitoring of energy usage, but also enables a smart grid. IoT can save the planet, which is just as well now that it accounts for 8% to 10% of European electricity." If you subscribe to this channel, we will give you more information on the Internet of Things and other futuristic endeavors. Now that you are done subscribing, let us continue. At work, IoT helps determine the systems that a business uses and provides analytics of all processes. For instance, if your supply chain operations are cumbersome and need some structural changes, the connected devices will show exactly how long it takes to complete one purchase for the office or one order delivered. Hence, you get the full picture of what is going wrong and what could be rectified in your operations. All the waste in your organization could be reduced and your services could be improved. Let us know if a system like this will not make your company better and your work easier. When businesses realize the quality of this technology, its importance will increase. This is because it would attract more attention and therefore better research into all of its functions. Whether it could improve communication or it risks the potential of hacking, the Internet of Things concept has its double sides. People argue about one bug affecting all connected computers, while others admire its cost efficiency. We will present the pros and cons to you shortly. Internet of Things can make farming easy. The agriculture industry could benefit from data collected on humidity, temperature, soil content, and rainfall for a period. The farming techniques of small and large-scale farming would improve if these data were collected and dispersed in an IoT style. Similarly, construction could be automated to monitor and predict the changes and problems of large-scale infrastructure. That would reduce the cost and time spent disrupting the workflow. Other benefits that organizations receive include monitoring business processes, employee performance improvements, higher revenue generation, improved customer experience. As Brendan O'Brien, co-founder and chief architect of Aria Systems, said, "If you think that the internet has changed your life, think again. IoT is about to change it all over again." On the one hand, IoT is beneficial because it allows people to access information from anywhere and on any device. The concept of needing some interaction does not exist in this world. Furthermore, electronic devices have a better communication spark once they are attached through the Internet of Things. Again, it is instrumental in automating business activities, limiting human interaction, and saving time and money. On the other hand, the increased connection of devices increases the chances of hacking into a wealth of confidential information. As well, large corporations could be overwhelmed with all the data they have to manage from millions of connected devices. Additionally, one bug in the system could corrupt all the connected devices at once. Lastly, the future could improve this challenge. But for now, many devices are unable to communicate due to differences in manufacturer standards. Now, how will the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence combine to create magic in the future? We will tell you all about how this will happen in our next video. How the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence will change the world. Watch it now.